Hi friends, this is Mahesh unboxing Huion Inspiroy graphic tablet. You can see here Huion Inspiroy, and you can see here the model number is H1161. These are the details. Actually, I ordered this Inspiroy from Flipkart. Okay, it just came in 3-4 days. Let's open it now. Here we go. Graphic tablet, very smooth and soft cover over it. Now slowly let's pull it out. We got accessories here. Let's put this aside. Now first check out these accessories. I think this is pen used to write on graphic tablet. Yes, this is the pen. See, there are these are customized buttons also there. There's a nib over it. I think this is a pen holder. Yeah, we can keep pen like this, not in use. Okay, and we can open it. Yeah, see, these are the replaceable nibs over it. When the old one got used out, you can use this new one. There are almost 8 I think 8 are there. Okay, and the use of this front side hole is you place the nib of pen in the hole and tilt at an angle and pull out, so that you can remove the old nib, and again you place a new nib over it, push it until it goes in. That's it. There is an USB cable. So this is USB for USB port in laptop, and this is for graphic tablet. Okay. Oh shit, I think this is OTG adapter, so that we can connect it to Android mobiles, tablet with this type C. We can connect like this, and we can use it with not only with the laptop and also mobile and tablet with the type C cable. If you have type BD, you can get that also, that type of OTG also. This is a manual over here. Manual. There are almost 13 languages in this manual book. Okay, now let's remove that soft cover over graphic tablet. There is the beauty. This is upside down. Yeah, okay, fine. See, there are on the left side of the graphic tablet, there are customizable buttons. Almost I think 10 customizable buttons are there, and on the top there are almost 16 functions. I think 1 2 3 up to 16 functions are there. We can use it while using a tablet. And can you see this spot here? So from here to the same kind of spot the other side also, and this is the working area. I mean, only on this area you can write with graphic with pen or the graphic tablet. Other area is non-sensitive to pen, like this. Only in this area we can write with this pen, and it will be reflected on laptop or mobile or tab according to your usage. And let's see the backside of this tablet. On here is charging cable. I mean, not only charging, it's for connection with laptop or mobile. And this is a backside. See, the model is H1161. Actually, this model number is important while you download drivers for tablet. Only with these drivers only you can run on it laptop. On mobile or Android devices, there is no need to download the drivers. Okay, and you've seen this anti-slip rubber or the four corners on the back side of the tablet so that it won't slip while you're using. Okay, thank you guys.